Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up 2018 Topps Chrome blaster boxes. Hope I could get a gold sign card, or any sign card of a good player. Usually my luck, I get a sign card and it's a reliever pitcher that nobody wants or is worthless. Alright, let's start a ripping. Tyler Mahle, Gregory Polanco, Starlin Castro, and Robinson Cano. See how he does with the Mets. Hope he does well. Jackson Stevens rookie. Jackie Bradley Jr. Prism. Michael Conforto. And Paul Goldschmidt. Victor Arano rookie card. Tyler Wade rookie. Future Stars Jacob Faria. And Jackie Bradley Jr. Nick Williams rookie. Dominic Smith, 1983. Walker, Taiwani Walker, and Stanton. Stanton's rookie card says Mike Stanton. I don't know why he changed his name, but anyway, Craig Kimbrell. Edwin Diaz. Brett Gardner refractors. And Paul DeJong. Chris Sale. Michael Fulmer, purple. Number 266 of 299. Justin Bueller. And another Michael Fulmer. Base card. Brian Dozier. Nice. Mike Trout, best player in baseball. Superstar sensations, Carlos Correa and Evan Longoria. See what we have in the sepia refractors. I'm not too sure if there's autos in this. That would be nice. We have Brandon Crawford, Chris Archer, Trey Mancini, and Kenta Maeda. Alright, next box. on, sign card. Signed Ohtani would be nice. Andrew Miller. John Gray. Looks like a refractor. Jay Bruce. And Ian Happ. Sandy Alcantara. Adam Jones. Brandon Woodruff, rookie card. Prism. Jose Abreu. Jack Flaherty, rookie card. Clint Frazier, rookie card. Future Stars, Alex Bregman. And a Yuli Gurriel. J.D. Davis, rookie. Ian Happ, 1983. Robbie Ray and Whit Merrifield. Jen Ho Sang, rookie card. Brandon Woodruff, rookie. Aaron Judge. And Kendrys Morales. Rhys Hoskins, rookie. Ahmed Rosario. Freshman Flash, rookie. Max Kepler. And Orlando Arcia. Edwin Encarnacion. Justin Turner, 1983. Gregory Polanco. Ender Inciarte, if I even pronounced that right. Okay, the Sepia Refractors. Give me a good one. Corey Seager. Edwin Encarnacion. Josh Donaldson. And John Lester. Everyone have a good night. Until next time.